Mr. Reyes observes that his students enjoy hands-on activities and learn best when they can manipulate objects and engage their senses. Which of Gardner's multiple intelligence says does this preference align with? Would this be letter A, verbal linguistic intelligence, letter B, logical mathematical intelligence, letter C, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, or letter D, interpersonal intelligence? What is our choice? Hands-on activities. Yung mga gustong merong mina-manipulate, di ba? Yung friend mong manipulator, no? Gusto niya meron siyang mga kinakante, may nahawakan, na-engage yung kanyang senses, alright? And so, tumpak na choice po natin dito, of course, is letter C, bodily kinesthetic ang ating pong tumpak na choice. So, verbal linguistic, ito po yung mga maboka, di ba? Yung mga nag-rap, yung mga jowa nating nagger. Okay? Verbal linguistic po yan sila. Logical mathematical naman, ito yung mga gustong palaging merong problemang sinusolve, di ba? Yung mga palaging ginagamit yung kanilang logical reasoning, no? Logical mathematical po yan. Interpersonal naman, napakasosyal, no? So these are your people persons, no? So they are very good at dealing with different types of people.